One of the other innovations has been how we construct the CPD program, and we've been talking to the CPD committee throughout the process in the last year of developing this program, and particularly when it went virtual. Had a little bit of a wobble, but got back on track with them and tried to work out what we could deliver. And this the practice evaluation session, the audit that Fran Perrett is doing, I think is just amazing. So how does that work?
Well, Francis has guided delegates that are involved through auditing their own patients on the fasting practices, and she's then collated that information and created a 90-minute session where they sort of talk through, guidelines and principles of fasting and what the current literature is, and then start to reflect on the practice of those anaesthetists as a group and what they can learn from that process. And they pick up 20 of the coveted quality assurance CPD points as a result. Yeah. So everyone's happy.
The difficult ones to get, I suppose.
Exactly.
And also, I suppose, more importantly, they're learning from each other about how they manage these difficult sorts of problems in their different institutions and what might work there.
Exactly. So it's another innovation for 2021.
Yep. And our workshops are going until Tuesday, and there's still plenty to go in the ASM from here. So join us live. Come to the Engage hubs if you can. If you can't, sort out your watch parties, download your Spotify playlist, and get involved.
Have fun.
Yeah, fantastic. Thanks very much.